Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and you all are doing great. So this is what is in my bag video. To be honest, I always wanted to do this, but I was so surprised by the response that you all also wanted to see what are all I carry in a bag. My friends always make fun of me that even if I'm stranded on an island for some days, I'll survive because I carry, and it's true, I carry actually a mini suitcase in my handbag. My mom always says me that your handbag has more items than mine, but I have to make sure that I have all the items in my bag, and in case of emergency I should have everything. So I have that thing in my mind, and also I'm obsessed with handbags, so I keep on changing my handbags again and again, and I have some pretty good handbags with me. But for current, I have my. Okay, wait. We'll quickly jump into the video and then I'll be telling.
1, 2, 3, fuck it.
So this red little baby by Louis Vuitton is the current bag that I am using. In case you want to have a closer look of the beautiful design. So yes, so this is the current bag that I'm using right now. To be honest, as I said in the introduction, I am obsessed with handbags. I have many handbags with me, to be honest, but if not this currently, then I have this big huge handbag with me. This is by H&M. The link for this handbag is in the bio, so you can check it out. The best part about this that it does not have any H&M written over here. The tags are inside over here, and not able to find them right now. Yes, I found the tag. Bag is so big, I'm actually not able to find the tags. So these are the H&M tags. Anyways, the link for this is in the bio. So if I am going out somewhere, that is if I am on a vacation or if I'm traveling, then definitely I carry this bag, because then it has my water bottle, my novel, my power bank and stuff. Power bank I have in this one also, but water bottle, power bank, novel. I have an extra t-shirt also I carry if I'm traveling somewhere out. I definitely carry one extra t-shirt. So the passport, so this one is really helpful when it comes to traveling, because you can see the size. I can put everything I want in it, and that's the best thing I have. But for current, I am using this LV bag, and the link for this the H&M will be in the bio, but I cannot find the link for this one because I didn't bought it from India. So yes, but this is my cute little handbag, and it is pretty my favorite ones. So now I'll be telling you what all I have in here. Okay, so first, this is how my handbag look, because as I said, I have a mini suitcase in it, but I'll be telling you one by one what all I have. Starting with first, I have always my glares in it, that is by Michael Kors, and I keep my glares always, and chota mota kuch bhi like some chiller willer, I keep it in this case because it is easier to find out. So yes, I have it first. Then I always have a snack or some cream biscuit or some glucose biscuit in my handbag. That is the thing actually from very before years also. I just cannot step out of the house without having some snack or some थोड़ा मोड़ा छोटू सा मतलब कुछ भी snack type ऐसा, like munching also will work, but I need to have that in my bag. So right now I have chocolate Oreos, cream biscuit. The thing is, my mama always says, and it's the fact that glucose से cream biscuit खाते ही energy आ जाती है if something is wrong. So I always have this with me right here. Sometimes I have the chakli also, but right now I don't have it in my bag. Then I have sanitizer, which is the most important thing right now. I don't have the mask in here because this bag is generally where I carry. So I have the sanitizer with me right here. I have 2 sanitary napkins in case someone else need it and I need it. So I always carry 2 sanitary napkins in here. This is Sophie. So So yes, and one thing, do carry 2 sanitary napkins because sometimes some another person may also need. So I have these 2 with me right here. I have band-aid, then again 2 band-aids. See, this is the reason they always tell me that even if you're stranded now, you will survive, because I have every possible thing in here. Just the t-shirt, water bottle, and the chakli or some kurkura munching is missing. Otherwise, I have it all. Then I have my wallet. This is the Fendi wallet I have with me. I have some money, very less money I have right now, some chiller, which is very important. I have my Aadhaar card right here. So that one is not coming out right now. I have my Aadhaar card. I have my passport size photo in it. I always keep it in my, the money is coming out. But yes, I always keep my passport size photo in my wallet. I have my family picture, my mom, my father and me. My brother is not there in this picture. He was in school when we clicked this picture. Yes, I have the chillers and Chotu Paisa. I have that. I don't have any extra money in it right here. So I always have my wallet with me. Then I have tissues. Okay. I am you all know I have OCD, and the thing with me is I just cannot use any other washroom tissue or anything like that. So I always have my wipes with me. My wipes is my absolute savior. I do not go anywhere without my wipes. The most essential thing is this. I need this or the full packet in it. So I either use, this is the Mothercare one. This is the gentle formula for delicate skin. Either I use Mothercare or Johnson's Baby. So this is the pack, big pack that I always carry. This has, I guess, what, 75 wipes? 60 wipes. So ये बड़ा पैकेट हमेशा एक सेपरेट मेरे हैंडबैग में होता ही होता है. So I have wipes. Then I have sunscreen, which is very important. I have Banana Boat SPF 50 broad spectrum sunscreen with me. This is one of the best sunscreen I have used. So I always carry sunscreen with me. Next I have my scrunchies and my hair ties. I always keep 2 scrunchies and hair tie. So we have these cute little ones here. Then I have my medicines, not actually medicine. I have one Flexon. Oopsie. That was open, I guess. Yes, I had half medicine. So I have Flexon. I have Flexon in here. I have my allergy medicine, that is Deoxydil. So I always have these 2, and one more for my stomachache, because I have a problem of stomachache, so I need to carry the medicine of stomachache with me. But that is the Ayurvedic medicine that I eat. It's Amrit Dhara. So these 3 medicines you'll find in my they were in my school bag, tuition bag, my handbags, my sling bags. So ye tino every time I have with me generally. Then I have lip gloss and lip balm with me. I always carry 2 lip balm because I don't know what happened. My bag mein I drop it and I'm not able to find it, and वो कहीं ना कहीं lost हो ही जाता है मेरे से. तो I always carry 2 for safety. So I have this Almay strawberry lip balm with me in the shade 600 Blooming. This is how it looks, and I have my Lakme Lip Love in the shade Cherry. So I always carry 2 lip balms. Then lipsticks. I do not carry any makeup in my bag except for lipstick. But yes, I do carry lipsticks, and I carry 3 shades of lipstick because of any outfit I'm wearing. So I can just change. I love lipsticks. I cannot help it. So I have my Maybelline Lip Gradation. This is my favorite nude one. I have my Maybelline Color Jolt in the shade red, and I have my L'Oreal Paris in the shade 176 Sunset Angora. This is my favorite pink lipstick that I've been using over years, and I restock this one generally. So I have in this. So my handbag is like, here it is empty, but I have this cute little chotu pocket which has many stuff in it. Okay, So starting with, I have this Be Safe cramp relief roll-on. If I am on my periods, then I definitely carry this with me. This is a necessity. Then I have my house keys, always. I have it in my handbag. I have a cute little perfume. This is by Chanel. I have this with me. I have always safety pins in my handbag. Every handbag you'll find safety pins or clips or something like that. I definitely have that one here. I have my Chotu Tic Tac ledger, and also when I was buying this bag, I found this very cute Louis Vuitton lock. They gave it to me, and I just love this lock. And when I'm traveling, and if my bag is with my siblings, because then I have chocolates and chewing gum, so they all just open it and they're like eating it. So I lock this bag if this is in the hand of my siblings. Just very dangerous. So I lock in. I have my phone in here also and my charger, but it is currently charging. So I have that, or power bank. And really, this lock is super cute. I mean, just look at it. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I'm not sure if you're able to read it, but so all I carry in the bag, because right now, because of this lockdown, I'm not going anywhere, and if I go, then I have this. Otherwise, when I'm traveling, then there are many things extra that I carry. There's an extra t-shirt, extra pair of pants, extra pair of socks I carry. I have my earphones with me. I have one more clutcher. I have my novel, my water bottle, and my sleeping mask. So yes, when I'm traveling, then these all things also I add in. But right now, these were pretty basic things I have with me right here. Enjoy watching this video. I'll see you in my next makeup tutorial very soon. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this video because I loved creating this video. So yes, I'll see you soon in my next makeup tutorial. Bye, take care.